Very good morning dear students of standard 6. Again I have came with a geography subject, that is lesson number 9. Okay, from your textbook. See, it's lesson number 9, energy resources, page number 51 to 59. Okay, here are the notes that may help you to write your paper. Now see, this is the first question. What resources will have to be used for the following work? First one, Rohan want to fly a kite. What type of resources it is? Wind resources. People in an Adivasi's hamlets have to be protected from a cold. Wood. Cooking on a picnic. Wood, coal, etc. Salma wants to iron her clothes. Electricity, coal. Starting a railway engine, electricity, coal, etc. Heating water for a bath, that is wood, biogas and etc. After sunset, making lights available inside houses, that is kerosene and electricity. Now come to name the following. Answers are given directly with the question itself. Substance based energy resources, that is wood, coal, mineral oil, natural gas, waste matter, etc. Next question, process based energy resources, that is water, wind, sun, tides, heat from the earth interior. Major coalfield from Jammu and Kashmir. Answer is Nichahom and Calcott. Major coalfield from Rajasthan, that is Palana. Major coalfield from Gujarat, that is Amritsar. Major minerals oil field from Gujarat, that is Kalol, Lunech and Ankleshwar. Any two places of hot spring from Maharashtra, Anaptyo and Vajreshwari. Countries using atomic energy: India, USA, Russia, France, Japan, etc. Major hydel power station in Punjab: Bhakra Nagal. Any four hydel power station in Maharashtra: Koyna, Bhatsa, Yaldari and Jaikwadi. State the India's famous for generating wind energy, that is Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. A place of major solar energy plant in Maharashtra, Sakri in Nandurbar district. Large scale solar energy project in a world: Agua Calent solar project, California Valley solar unit, Golmut solar park, Charanka solar park and Wellspun energy project. Okay. Now come to question answers. Answer the following question in one sentence. What is mineral oil called? Why is mineral oil called black coal? So the answer is, the mineral oil is called black coal because it has blackish color and it is very costly. At which places in mineral oil mainly found? Mineral oil is mainly found under land surface and also below ocean floor. Which are high quality coal used by on a large scale? High quality coal is used on a large scale in industries and in thermal power stations. Which fuels are known as biofuels? The fuels originating from the remains of dead plants and animals are known as biofuels. How much is the distance from the Earth's surface to its center? The distance from Earth's surface to its center is 6,373 km. By how many degrees Celsius does the temperature in the Earth's interior increase at a depth of every 32 meters? The answer is the temperature in the Earth's interior increase by 1 degree C at a depth of every 32 meters. How many degrees Celsius in the temperature at the center of the Earth? The temperature at the center of the Earth is around 4000 degrees Celsius. Come to next question. Answer the following in brief. Which energy resources does man use the most and why? Man uses coal the most. It is because coal is comparatively easily available everywhere in a greater quantities. Why are energy resources needed? The energy resources are needed to satisfy the needs of man. Energy resources are needed for heating water, for cooking food, for driving vehicles, for running mechanical machines, etc. Why do we need to use environment-friendly energy resource? To use the biofuels lead to pollution. Increasing pollution upset the balance of nature and it adversely affects all living things including humans. Therefore, to maintain the balance of nature, we need to use environment friendly energy resources. Okay, now explain the term. You have to explain or distinguish between, I can say it. So mineral soil and solar energy. See, now first point is availability. The availability of mineral oil is limited, लेकिन solar energy का availability is unlimited. You can find everywhere. Next, environment friendliness. So the mineral oil का क्या आएगा? The use of mineral oil is not environment friendly. The use of solar energy is environment friendly. Advantages and disadvantages. The use of mineral oil lead to pollution. The use of solar energy is pollution free. Now come to second one. Second is hydel power and power from geothermal resources. Now what is the availability of both the things? First point, the availability of hydel power is comparatively limited and the availability of power from geothermal sources is unlimited everywhere. Environment friendliness. Hydel power is comparatively environment friendly, but power of geothermal sources is comparatively less. Okay. And the third point, what is the advantages and disadvantages? The cost of power generation using hydel power is comparatively low. The cost of power generation using power from geothermal sources is comparatively high. Got it? Hope so you can write it now. Now see, there is one question from your textbook, that is study the map given on a page 55, okay, of the textbook and answer the following question. टेक्स्ट पेज 55 में आपको मैप दिया गया है, उसके ऊपर से आपको आंसर लिखना है. तो डैट आई विल हेल्प यू. नाउ नेम द स्टेट विच हैव कोल फील्ड. दैट इज़ झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, उड़ीसा, वेस्ट बंगाल, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, गुजरात, राजस्थान, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, आसाम. नेम द मिनरल्स ऑयल फील्ड इन अर्बन एरिया. दैट इज़ मुंबई हाई. Name two states which have coal field on a large scale. That is Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Which mineral oil field are located in northeast India? That is Digboi, Makum, Naharkatia, Nanmati, Lakhani, etc. Minerals oil field are located in northeast India. The reserve of which mineral are found in Godavari basin? That is, the reserve of coal are found in Godavari basin. Which of the state have mineral reserve in Godavari basin? That is Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Okay. So students, please be noted with the following question answer. And listen it very carefully so that you can write it on your answer sheet. Okay. Till then, stay safe. Have a great day.